Hi again. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how leave balance slip is working, what it's doing, how you can use it, and I hope this will be very useful to you. Basically, this leave balance slip by its name is presenting you all the uh, leave requests approved and all the days that has been used by every employee from is allocated number of free days. So this leave balance slip is going from the uh, employee per year. Basically, for the selected employee here, I just noticed we we are missing the button which is leading to the leave balance slip. When you select an employee from this list, from the employee per year, you will have a button here. Don't worry about that. When you push that button, it will lead you to the leave balance slip, and you will see all the details in ready to print format for the selected employee. In this case, it is about Jessica Smith. Okay, if you change it to Michael Johnson, for example, and you will push that button, it will lead you to the leave balance slip, and this will be updated in no time. Okay, and we see that Michael Johnson doesn't have any request leave for leave requests. Uh, just partial time of 1 hour and a half on December 2024. But let's go to change it back to Jessica Smith, and you'll see, because we have more data requests recorded in the system for Jessica Smith, and it will be easier for you to understand and preview everything. So we have the name, we have the position, we have the year, leave balance today. This is giving you a feedback of everything that Jessica Smith has been requested and has been approved up to this date. Total leave entitlement, meaning all the days that Jessica Smith, all the days allocated for Jessica Smith, all the free days, paid days off, leave request used 11 days, and as you see, we have 10 days of leave of absence in August 2024 and 1 day of sabbatical leave on December 2024. Maybe this is not exactly how you will allocate the days, but these are just dummy data for the purpose of this explanation. Also, we have the partial hours used. We have 2.3 hours, which is meaning 0.29 days. And how this is calculated? This is calculated from this section. If you set up the working days as 8 hours for this employee, it will automatically calculate how much does it means 2.3 hours from the entire full day of work. Okay, and as you see, we have 0.29 days, and remaining leave balance is a subtraction from all the 35 days plus 11 days and 0.29 days, because he used a partial request of 2.3 hours, and everything is presented nicely below, based on month, how many days for each particular custom leave request, and also month and how many partial time of hours has been requested, and it was approved for every month. At the bottom, you can configure this message entirely based on your company policy, with name, position, company name, and so on. And each time you want to present your employee a balance leave for his leave request, approved leave request, you can come here and simply go to File, Print, and based on your printer setup, uh, you can print the print slip. Just play around with your printer setup, and it will be nicely printed and presented, ready to present it for every employee. Another thing to mention here is just this entire calendar with the number of custom leave reasons, custom leave requests, sorry, and partial time off request hours is completely dynamic. Every calculation, everything is presented based on the type of year you are using. Right now we are on the fiscal year settings. Okay, so we have from June 1st up to May 31. So as you notice, it's starting from June 2024 and it's ending in May 2025, like the calendar from the employee per year. Okay, if we set up the the year for standard year, this will automatically update everything like employee per year tab. We will have only 2024 because this is the current year and it's representing the standard year. And in the leave balance leave also we have January up to December for 2024. Okay, and all the leave reasons, as you noticed, has updated. All the calculation has been updated because we are taking in consideration the entire current year and not the standard and not the fiscal year, which is starting from June up to May. As you noticed, everything is updated now, and we have not so many leave requests because most of them are outside of our fiscal year or custom year. Okay, that is all regarding the leave balance leave. I hope you like it, and I'm more than confident that this is useful because it is also built on the custom request and we have integrated it to the entire leave tracker. Have a good day. Thank you.